Hi, I'm Iris with Gardening with Iris and Anthony, and today we're going to harvest our basil and make some delicious pesto. I literally have basil growing all over my garden, and this particular batch is one that I put on my porch with some other herbs. I also have two types of basil, and this particular one is sweet basil. Need 2 cups. That should be about good 2 cups right there. Alrighty. Come on, let's take this inside the house and let's make some delicious pesto. Now we're going to wash the basil and get it ready for the food processing. Okay, I'm cleaning the basil with water, baking soda, and ice to keep the water cool. Just a nice way to keep your herbs clean. I don't have to do a lot to it because I don't put any pesticides on it, and I shake it real good to make sure there's no bugs in it. But if there is any bugs or anything, worms or anything, the baking soda would catch it. We want to spin our basil and get as much of the water off of it because we are going to be emulsifying it with oil, and you want to make sure everything mixes in really good. So we spin it real well, and this is a really good spinner that I got off of Amazon, and I'll have the link below if anyone is interested in it. Toast the pine nuts, and we're going to toast the 3 garlic cloves in the air fryer for about 3 minutes. Today, I'm being assisted by Chef Will, my youngest son.
Hey everybody.
All right, we're gonna start by muddling while we're waiting for the garlic and the pine nuts to toast. We're gonna muddle the basil. I need 2 cups of basil. We're gonna put it in the mortar and pestle. Okay, now we're going to dump the 3 roasted and peeled garlics that we got from the garden in here. And we're going to put the gold toasted pine nuts. That's just make the more robust flavor. Save that for the end. We're gonna leave that for the end texturing. All right, so let's get it started.
And what the oil does when you put it in the basil, it actually emulsifies everything together and brings the pesto together. And so that way it all becomes one delicious, flavorful, delicious thing that you can spread on to many different things.
To put our Parmesan cheese in, and instead of mixing it with the blender, we're gonna stir it in so it can have some texture. You want to put a little pepper in there for me, Chef Will?
And a pinch to taste.
A pinch of salt for taste. And now it's time for B-roll.
Delicious.
That's good.
Chef Will.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in. And remember, you take care of the garden, and the garden takes care of you.
See you guys next time.